Hey guys, so I have here my Under Armour True Wireless Flash earbuds. In this case, this is here the Project Rock edition, and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your left earbud does not work. And so just in case you're trying to use only the left earbud without using the right earbud at the same time, then this will not fix your problem, because the left earbud actually does not work only by itself. You always have to use the right earbud. And but this is regarding the left earbud not working together with the right earbud. And so let's get started. Now the first thing I'm doing is I disable Bluetooth on my smartphone. So in this case, this is here my iPhone, but you also have to do it on Android phones or any other device that you have connected your earbuds to. So now the Bluetooth on my phone is disabled. So now if I take out my earbuds, they're not going to automatically connect to my phone here. So what I'm doing is I first take out both earbuds, and now we're going to press and hold the buttons here on the earbuds for about 8 seconds. So, and what that does, it is going to shut off the earbuds. So and you're also going to hear a jingle when that happens. Okay, so now we have both turned off, and we're going to start with the left earbud. And so now we're going to turn this earbud back on by pressing and holding the button for about 3 seconds. And now you see here this blinking in blue. But we need to enable here this pairing mode. And we do this by pressing the button 3 times relatively quickly. So you've seen this. And if you do it in this speed, then you should see the LEDs blinking now in blue and red. And so this has to happen. So if this doesn't happen for you with the left earbud yet, then you have to try it again until you get it into this state. Now just to make sure, let me show you again the correct rhythm that you have to push the button here 3 times, because that is really crucial, that you're not too fast and not too slow. So that was just right. Now it's blinking in blue and red. So now let's continue with the right earbud. And we're going to do the same thing there. So we're going to press it for 3 seconds. And as soon as it is turned on, we're going to press the button 3 times. And then it's going to do the same thing where it blinks red and blue. And eventually the earbuds are going to find each other again. And they're going to be paired. And also now the left earbud is going to work at this point. So now we can turn on the Bluetooth on our phone again. And eventually it's going to connect to our phone, and we can try out if the left earbud now works. And so yeah, it normally should work. And yeah, if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.